Many of you guys were asking how I manage all of my work, like my job, studies, household work. So let me tell you about a website named Identity, which helps me to minimize and organize my work. To open this, just type identity.com in your browser. You can sign up from there if you are using this first time, otherwise you can sign in. Identity helps me to organize everything I do online, like it helps to organize my channel, my emails, my study, shopping, etc. As you guys can see, it is in form of tiles, and I also made tiles for me like UPSC, SSC, Vision IS, my channel, my Instagram, and many more. Whenever I want to visit any site, I don't have to type anything. I just click on any tile which I want to open. I can visit UPSC or RSTV directly from here. Let me tell you how we can add a new tile. First, write the name of tile, like I am writing Nika Fashion because I want to make a tile for that. After this, copy the link of the website here. You can also add password and logo, and your tile is ready. You can also make categories for your tiles, like I have work category, study category. You can add the already prepared tiles in your categories, like I have Gmail, my channel, Zoom, Amazon in my work category. You can add any new category by clicking on the option manage categories, like I am adding current affairs. So guys, identity helps to simplify and declutter the internet, means we can have few tabs and windows open while working, and due to which I have less distractions and I focus only on important things. We can also use the search option given here to search for specific tiles, category or notes. Like when I search for study category, I have my all important sites at one place like UPSC, SSC, RSTV, Vision IS, etc. It also helped me to manage passwords, like if I fill password for any specific tile, by just clicking on the tile, the password is automatically copied to clipboard and we can quickly paste it. On the right side, you get a calendar feature where you can add your Google Calendar to manage your daily schedule. Like I have made a proper schedule, when to eat breakfast, when to read history, when to study sociology. You also have a notes and list option where you can make to-do list for every day. Like I have made to-do list for today. You can also organize your different projects by making notes, like I have made for YouTube and also for essentials which I have to buy. I have also made notes for household work and also added tiles here, like I can check my Gmail while having breakfast. We can also write due dates for particular tasks. Guys, when I spend time online and keep many tabs open, I just get distracted, but identity helps me to regain control of my attention. So you should also try identity. I have provided the link in description box. Identity will help you to save your time.
कि इसका फेंक दो ना, किसी काम के नहीं है चाकू एक भी। सुनो, चाकू देख लो, ऐसे ही मान लो तो भी ना होगा। बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत बढ़िया।